In this video, I'll show you how to create an AI avatar that talks and uses expressive hand gestures. Perfect, bringing your content to life. Ready? Let's jump in.
To create an avatar like the one you saw at the beginning of this video, there are several easy steps. For the sake of time, I'm not going to explain how to use each app, just what we're doing with it. I assume you already know the basics of image generation, prompting, and video editing. First, we need to generate an image prompt, and we're going to use ChatGPT. I'm asking Chat to generate a prompt of a pretty lady dressed fashionably for use as a talking avatar. Be sure that both of the avatar's hands are clearly visible, and the prompt will be used in PicLumen and should be 16 by 9 for YouTube. That's going to generate the prompt. It only takes a minute or so, but it will render the prompt for us. Be sure to include having both hands clearly visible, because when our avatar is talking, we want hand movements. Without visible hands in the image, our avatar would look simply like a talking head. When ChatGPT gives you the prompt, copy it and hold it aside. After we've done that, we're going to move on to PicLumen to generate our image. Over here at PicLumen, I'm already logged in, and as you can see, I already have several models waiting for me. What we'll do is, we'll take Chat's prompt, and we'll put it into the box here in PicLumen. I'm going to choose 16 by 9, and I'm choosing one image, and we'll generate that. It should only take a minute or so. It's pretty fast. Once we've pasted our prompt in, we have our image. So what we'll do is we'll hover over the image and we'll download the picture, save it to your device. So next thing we need to do is take our image and generate a video from it, and for that we'll be using Hailuo. Hailuo does an excellent job in my opinion. On the left, you'll see Create Video. Click on that, and that opens up the dialog box. Now, at the time of making this video, Hailuo's video limit is set to 6 seconds. You can always stitch together multiple videos for longer sequences, and they do offer camera movements, but to keep things simple here, we won't be using any camera movement. So what we want to do is you can drag, paste, or click to get your image. I'm just going to drag mine in, takes a minute to upload, and there she is. As you can see, I've already generated a video. We need to insert a prompt so that Hailuo will know what we want our avatar to do. I'm pasting in. She is looking straight into the camera, talking and expressing gently with both hands. What I want to do is point your attention down here. We do not want the director model because that's the model for camera movement, and we're not going to do with that today. So we're just going to go I2V, and you can see that up here. Image to video, text to video. So this is the model we want to use. We have our prompt, we have our image. I'm going to click this button down here. Now, that button at the bottom with the number 30, and that's the generate switch. Each 6-second video will cost 30 credits. I'm on a paid version, so I've got a bit of wiggle room for multiple tries. As of this video, the free version gives you 100 daily credits. With some careful planning, you can generate up to 3 videos. And as you can see, I've already pasted a few prompts in there because I've already got a few avatars. Okay, that took a few minutes and I sped up the video, so you didn't have to wait. There's our avatar. Hover over her and we'll see her moving. 6 seconds worth. Pretty cool, right? Here's another one that I did. So from here, what you'll want to do is download your avatar, save it to your device, and we're ready to move on. Now the next thing we want to do is create a voiceover, either an AI voice or you can use your own. That's up to you. But here we're using an AI voice. We're going to use CapCut online. It's free and it gives you a pretty good variety of voices and a generous time length. Once you're inside CapCut and logged in, you'll want to come over here to the Create AI Voiceovers from text or audio and click Create New. That'll open up a text box for you. I'm going to paste my script in, which says, in this video, I'll show you how to create an AI avatar that talks and uses expressive hand gestures and help bring your channel to life. Ready? Let's jump in. Now you can audition all the voices. I have a couple of favorites, and for this one, I'm going to choose Natasha. Hit Generate. Now I wrote my script to match my video's time length. If you're going to go with a 6-second video clip, your script will need to come in just under 6 seconds, like around 5.9. Don't go over. It's better to be a bit short and have some wiggle room than to go over and get cut off. So Natasha is done. Let's download her and save to your device. If you use 11 Labs or another voiceover generator, keep that 6-second time limit in mind. If you need a 6-second script, here's one I wrote especially for this exercise. And I'll paste it in here just so you can see it. Alright, so we have Natasha downloaded. We have our video. We have everything we need. There's one last stop. We have to jump over to our final AI tool, and that one is called Dreamface. This is where we'll combine our video and sync it with our audio file. Go to Avatar Video, which is right here, and as you can see, I've already created a few. What you'll want to do is you'll want to upload your video. You can upload it from your PC or you can upload it from your mobile. Just click Upload and grab your file. Now from here you have the option of pasting in a text video script for your voiceover, or you can use the generated one that we got in CapCut. That's the one we're going to use. So now, rather than wait, I'm going to go over to my creations, and I'm going to show you the one that I made in preparation.
To create an AI avatar, like the one you saw at the beginning, there are several easy steps.
So that's pretty good, right? It takes a few minutes to generate the full video, but you're close and it's worth the wait. When it's finished, just click over to your creations, and you can download and save your avatar to your device. So for those of you that stayed to the end, thank you. Here's a quick recap of all the apps. We used to generate our AI avatar. ChatGPT. There's free and paid versions available. I use the paid version every day. For more casual use, the free version works just fine. PicLumen. The free version gives you unlimited downloads initially, and once you've hit your daily cap, you'll need to wait until the next day. A paid subscription unlocks advanced features. CapCut Online. It's free and great for voiceovers and basic video work. I love the voiceover tool, Hailuo. With a free plan, you get 100 daily credits. Each video costs 30 credits, and that's 3 short videos per day. The free version includes a watermark. I used a standard plan which includes 1,000 credits and no watermark. Dreamface. The free version includes 5 daily uses with a watermark and 30-second videos. I used the Pro plan, which allows videos up to 3 minutes and no watermark. So, before I sign off, here's the star of the show, all made from a simple prompt into a speaking, moving, lifelike avatar. Thanks for watching and subscribing, and we'll see you next time.
Hello, and thanks for watching our video. We hope it helped you see just how easy it is to create and use an AI avatar. There are so many AI options available to us today. Anyone can create an AI avatar. Once again, thanks for watching.